Alright, so I always wondered if you have an old dirty crusty tool, can you run it through the dishwasher? And I never really had the chance to, but Wendy's not home right now to stop me, so... So I grabbed 3 of the grimiest tools I could find, and I kind of had to make sure they were unique so you knew I wasn't putting a switcheroo of putting something new in there. So I got old Craftsman screwdriver, short stubby crescent wrench, and some dikes, or side cutters. They're not really dikes. I'd like to apologize to all you Subaru drivers out there for calling those dikes. Alright, so I have almost a full dishwasher. And, yeah, I don't mind all the yuckies. So I'm going to put the screwdriver here. Side cutters there. And the crescent wrench, I'll try putting on this top rack here. Almost forgot the pod, the most important part. It's been so long that all the most words got rid of. I can't remember what this said, but I know you press that. Oh, it says add rinse aid. And if it ain't something, it's always something else. I think that's rinse aid, yeah. I don't know how you tell when that's full. I'm getting it everywhere. I'm making a mess. It's going to get extra rinsey. Press that. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to press that. Man, this thing used to be whisper quiet about 10 years ago. Now it's starting to sound like an airplane. Alright, dishwasher just finished. It's clean. Let's see. Oh, steamy. I hate it when the bowls get turned over in the dishwasher. You just got to go back in the sink. You got to go back again. Alright, screwdriver. It's not greasy feeling. I'll have to get a before and after picture. That's looking pretty good. Like I said, it doesn't feel greasy at all. I better put some WD-40 on it or it'll rust. Maybe, I don't know. It's not even, doesn't even feel wet. It's very hot. Last but not least, the crescent wrench. Ouch, it's very hot. Yeah, I'd say it cleaned it. Ow. I'd say it cleaned it up pretty good. I think I'm going to be doing this a little more often. Shh, don't tell Wendy.